Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share about the next positive potato. There, you can get a lot of profit. I am going to cover in this video what is the next big dream that you can take by adopting the ecosystem where fairness and transparency is the main priority. You can also get each and everything about this project, how this is going to be next profitable thing. Just be in this video and I am going to cover each and everything about the next 1000x potential. The pre-sale is now live. You can get a lot of profit on it. So my friends, here you can check out, here is the pre-sale potato. USDT price is going to be raised. Here you can check out each and everything. So next is about like what is the potato price at the initial level $0.03. You can buy with using PNB, USDT and USD. Here you can connect the wallet first if you want to participate and how it all work. You can say it was the dream that is going to be true. Be ready for it. This is the young potato that want to go to the moon. Next is about investment now. Mean there you are going to collect the huge profit. There will be next before the get listing. The price is going to rise and be ready for the next huge thing that is going to change your life. This is the building where there is maxi and ledger token. Very soon this will be listed on Binance too. So come to the skyrocketing profit to the moon. We are registered at the first exchanges and there is tokenomics. How much is total number of token? In which categories they have been done, you can check out. There is 10% marketing, 67% for liquidity, 20% for pre-sale and 3% for the team allocation. Here is the roadmap according to which you can check out in their phase wise what team has been done, what they are trying to do. Each and everything can be checked out so you can make right decision while doing participate in that. Here will be next profit. There will be also a huge profit. Mean there you can get a huge profit and you can also share with your friends to come and get ready for that. Next is about that this is the cryptocurrency that is going to be next profitable thing. So there is the best fun today. Be ready for the next investment with the high level profit. You can check out each and everything on it and there will be connected option. Means if you want to participate in their pre-sale that is now live, this is the main ambitions that I am going to deliver to you. So you can make, there is the USDT price raise and very soon price is going to rise because there will be next hype in the cryptocurrency. And next is about that you can connect your wallet first. Here what you have wallet, you can connect on it that should be supported USDT. Here you can give the password first and then you can click on the next option that is to unlocking. And after that you can also easily check out that your wallet is going to be connected to this site. And after that your wallet will be connected, there will be sign in option that you can confirm. And in this way you can go to the BNB smart chain and this is going to be next profitable thing for you. So I hope you have cleared. And next thing is about Reddit, like Radiator, their official Twitter, Telegram. There you can grab a lot of profit. You can be one of them on their social media link that is on Telegram. If you want to know more detail, then you can come join right now. I will provide link in my video. See you soon in next video. Till then, take care.